The 1957 Ford F-100 4x4 stands as a timeless legend in the world of American trucks. This wasn't just a pickup, it was a statement of power, durability, and straightforward utility. Born during an era when vehicles were built tough and meant to last, the 57 F-100 has since become an icon, representing the grit and resilience of classic Americana. It was one of the first years Ford offered a factory-installed four-wheel drive system, making this truck a trailblazer in both innovation and off-road capability. From the moment you lay eyes on the 1957 F-100 4x4, it commands attention. Its squared-off design, bold front grille, and distinctive round headlamps exude a rugged charm. The steel body panels were built to endure harsh working conditions, and that durability is exactly what made the truck so popular among farmers, ranchers, and anyone who needed a reliable workhorse. The step-side bed design provided both style and practicality, while the elevated ride height of the 4x4 version added an aggressive stance that hinted at the beast within. Under the hood, the F-100 offered a variety of engine choices, but one of the most popular was the 272 cubic inch Y-block V8. This engine delivered robust horsepower and torque that could handle anything from hauling heavy loads to navigating rough terrain. Paired with a sturdy manual transmission and solid front and rear axles, this truck had true off-road credibility at a time when that wasn't common. The four-wheel drive system wasn't just a gimmick, it was a genuine game-changer for truck owners needing real capability in all weather and road conditions. Step inside, and you're greeted by a Spartan yet functional interior. The cabin was made to be tough, not fancy. Metal surfaces, a basic dashboard layout, and a large steering wheel made driving simple and direct. There were no luxury materials, no digital screens, just the essentials, raw, mechanical feedback that made you feel connected to the road and the machine. That's what makes it appealing even now, it's authentic, unfiltered driving. In today's world of high-tech, high-priced pickups, the 1957 Ford F-100 4x4 reminds us of a time when trucks were built with steel, sweat, and soul. Restored or unrestored, lifted or stock, this truck continues to capture the hearts of classic car lovers everywhere. It's more than a vehicle, it's a symbol of America's automotive past, preserved in iron and chrome. And whether it's rumbling down a gravel road or displayed at a car show, it speaks volumes without saying a word.